Welcome guys, today I have for you a Brown & Sharpe model 1448U. This machine is wired for 440 volts. This machine can be run manually and you could also put it in a traverse cycle as well. So to run it manually, currently the machine is off, but this is your hand wheel for the left and right. The way you engage it and disengage it is by pulling out this little handle right here, and that brings it back in. And then this guy right here is going to bring our head in and out as we please. There is a limit switch underneath here that will let us know when we're ready to be in cycle. So if we open it up like this, then we can bring our head in and out in both directions. And in this position, we're ready for our cycle. We do have the option for internal and external grinding right here with this, which we'll go over very shortly. You have your headstock speed, how you want to operate the machine, whether it's with the lever or manually on the other two options. You have the jog option for our work head, and then we also have our cycle start, table start, and work head start off of this guy. This will be our speed knob for the table traversing. And then over here we do have a couple more options, being our left-right dwell, whether or not we want to feed on the left or right hand side. And lastly, how much we're going to feed for our cross feed. With all that being said, we can get started. So we're going to start the external grinding wheel, and then we'll also show you the table going left and right along with the infeed. So to start off, get our grinding head going. From here we can choose the option to jog, and then we can also turn on our grinding wheel if we wanted to. Go ahead and increase our speed right here with this knob. And then for us to start our infeed, we can simply bring this guy over to about 2 o'clock, and you can see we are now feeding. So we can change whether it feeds on the left or right hand side with these two knobs. We also do have a dwell, and that's for both sides. As you can see, we're kind of stopping a little bit, as opposed to the other side, we're just going to kick right out. And this is essentially just going to keep going all the way to our dead stop. There's nothing that's going to tell the machine to stop or anything like that. So once it hits the dead stop, we'll go over here, either press out, bring this lever back to stop the infeed, and then we could also go ahead and just cut the whole machine like that. So now we're going to start the internal grinding. So we'll go ahead, press our button, get the spindle going. And if we want to, we can start our cycle as we were doing before. Start it up like that, and now we're doing our ID grinding. So another couple features about this machine, aside from the adjustable dogs right here, is our table can swivel. We do have about 10 degrees in one direction and 2 in the other. Simply loosen up these two nuts along with the other two corresponding ones on the other side, and spin this bolt right here, and that will taper our table. We can also rotate the head of this machine over here under kind of the same concept. There's a couple of plungers that we can pull down and then freely move the head that way. And lastly, our work head does swivel as well. Just need to unlock the couple bolts right here and then freely spin this guy all the way around. Again, this is going to be our Brown & Sharpe. It's a model 1448U, wired for 440 volts. Thank you very much.